Welcome to this tutorial on creating annotated bibliographies. First of all, definitions. What is an annotated bibliography? It's similar to a regular bibliography or a works cited list you might do for a paper, but each entry includes a brief narrative portion, which is to say, the annotation. The annotation typically summarizes or evaluates the item being cited and ranges from a few sentences to a few paragraphs in length. An annotated bibliography in its entirety can range from a few entries that you might do as a standalone assignment to a more extensive one that you might do for a larger project or a major paper you're doing for a class, up to a book-length document that covers hundreds of sources that surveys the body of information about a particular topic. The process for writing an annotated bibliography is as follows. First, assemble a list of items and format them as a bibliography, as you would for a works cited list for a paper or similar project, using the style guide specified by your professor or one of your preference. As you read and review each item, write and add in an annotative section for each entry that suits the assignment project at hand. Abstracts or other provided summary material can act as placeholders while you review the full material, but make sure to replace it with your own thoughts and ideas as you do so. Consider writing the annotation part almost like doing a miniature book report. Here are a few examples of what annotated bibliography entries look like, ranging from simple to a little bit more complex. The first one just briefly summarizes the book referenced. The second one summarizes and evaluates the book at hand. And then the third one summarizes, evaluates, and reflects on the uses for the item being annotated. Let's take a look at some tools you can use for exporting citations from a database. I'll go into Academic Search Complete and just do this search. And when you look at a specific article, there's an icon on the side for Cite, which will display how to cite the sources according to various styles. You can then export that citation to various citation management software. Here we'll use Zotero. Zotero is a freely downloadable program that helps you organize and manage your research and citations. For the purposes of this tutorial, we'll assume you've already downloaded it, and this is what it looks like once you export information to it. It has information about the citation, and it lets you add notes, and the notes field is a handy way of composing your annotations for the citation. So this is what it would look like if you would use Zotero as a management tool for this kind of project. So to quickly summarize the topic for today, the basic process of making an annotated bibliography is assemble your citations according to the style that you're going to use for the project, and then add in annotations of an appropriate length for the assignment. Some additional information is at a library online research guide at the URL there. So thank you for watching this tutorial today, and we'll take another look at that summary information.